Hola mis amores, ¿cómo están? Yo soy Estefanía.
Y yo soy Lisa y estamos aquí en esta linda cascada para una sesión de fotos.
Acompáñenos, espero les guste.
Bueno, sí, que estamos aquí disfrutando de esta hermosa naturaleza.
¿Y qué tal si aprovechamos del tiempo y llamo al camarógrafo para las fotos? Camarógrafo, luces, cámara, acción.
Interstellar, multi-dimensional. Practicing this magic is my full-time schedule. Medical grade, run my tracks through a stethoscope. Decibels way down to the last decimal. Count on me, my style could be described as alchemy. Gold standard bangers teach the blind how to see. Cause love is the lens that I look through. So peace is the path to the place that I took you. Follow the breadcrumbs to the next one till your head spun. Drum tracks dripping like a wet sponge. Stress unwind, bad days evaporate. Let regret go, let the past pass away. Kinda hard to see how glorious your story is when you ignoring it unless you feel victorious. Should you work till you're uncomfortable? Shit, I think y'all been sold a bunch of bull. Shit, sit back, relax, and let the track spin. Let your synapse gaps flash to back when the grind turn your sunshine to shadow. Time travel, then unwind and unravel. Matter of fact, I think that you should play hooky. Tell the boss, get lost and watch him crumble like a cookie. Cause I bet like a hooky, you can step from a rookie to a pro. And letting your love steer your flow. Here you go. Past the barbed wire fences, the hard-wired defenses in your mind seem relentless, but escape. And you can shift your shape and let your soul just play like an old mixtape.